Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new film simulation recipe by Mark G. Adams. Now, if you've been watching the channel, you'll know, and if you follow Fuji announcements, you know that Fujifilm released released for pre-order one of the new cameras, which is the GFX 100S. Now, with this release, they also actually included a new film simulation recipe on this camera called Nostalgic Negative. Now, as of right now, as I'm filming this, it's actually not available in a firmware for the other Fuji cameras. I use a Fuji X-T4. If you've been following along, you know that. But if you know Fujis and you have a Fuji, obviously there is lots of different film recipes. We've covered a ton of film recipes on this channel as well. But Mark actually has just kind of created, and he did this from the limited pictures that are kind of available online to kind of look at. And what he's created is what he calls nostalgic provia. Now, it's a kind of a recipe of a film. This kind of like in the Matrix here, a film simulation of a film simulation. So he actually created this. He shared it on his website. I will link to his website down below. There is also a recipe for this to put on your camera. It works with the Fuji X-T4. It should work quite well with other cameras. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I actually also went out this morning and took a bit of a photo walk, kind of to show you some sample images. It was a cold morning, a little bit kind of hazy, foggy. It's about minus 10, 11 here, so it's been super cold. I didn't get out for too much, but took a few pictures so you can get a good idea. I can't kind of wait to get out, and then when it's actually a sunny day, I think this will work as well with the blues in the skies. But what basically this is Mark's film simulation recipe. What it does is kind of adjust the reds a little bit, and it adjusts the highlights kind of mostly, and it's based on Provia, so it kind of just gives Provia a little bit of tweak. I do like it. I looked at the JPEGs after my walk, and I did like them. So here they are. Let me know what image you like the most. There's a few samples on here. I've numbered the images. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of the brand new film simulation. Hopefully you like those images. Let me know again what one you like. Leave me a comment. Let me know the number. What was your favorite? Let me know if you're going to give this recipe a try on your camera. What I will do is I will share that. Check it out down below, as well as a link to Mark's website. Thanks so much, Mark. I always appreciate these kind of new film simulations to try on my photo walk. Gives me something to kind of some new kind of things to try as I walk around to get a little bit of exercise. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, a huge shout out to all the channel members that have joined the channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We've got a few channel members that are joined each month, so that's kind of awesome. If you would like to become a member, I will leave a link to a video after this, and then you can join and learn all about channel memberships and support the channel in different ways if you want. But if you're not a member, it's okay too. I appreciate if you're subscribed and you like the video. If you like the video, obviously hit a thumbs up. Lets me know you do like it. If you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing. That's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Fuji camera, about this Fuji recipe, just let me know down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And don't forget to go and check out Mark's website, not just for this film simulation recipe, but he's got a great Fuji page with a whole bunch of other Fuji film simulation recipes that you can try out. Thanks a lot. Take care, everybody.